Focus on the value of Ripple XRP. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. You can find different altcoins on the stock market in the description and earn high. As a result of the lawsuit with the SEC, Ripple Labs XRP had been suspended from trading. Let's look at its value and how it might perform in the future. The legal challenge between the Securities and Exchange Commission, the top regulator in the United States of America, and Ripple Labs XRP has been holding court for 2 years, January 19, 2021, and this has and will affect the value of the token. The value of Ripple XRP sees the light. Ripple's legal battle to defend its operation is not only important for its survival, but is also important for so many other currencies in the crypto sector. The lawsuit with the SEC is being closely watched by the entire crypto world, and right now, the volatility of the token indicates that we are close to a ruling. Yesterday's pricing of XRP was a surprise as, in a session where the whole market suffered a bit, Ripple appreciated. The token yesterday had gained 1.5% to 0.40 after a positive week in which XRP had appreciated by 0.73%. Today the positive situation of the last 5 days is marred by a very bad result that sees Ripple lose 5.47%, returning to 0.35%. Ripple's market capitalization, on the other hand, continues a relentless growth in which the attention to the lawsuit in which it is a protagonist, and which would bring rich gains in the pockets of investors, is very influential. The token in the last 5 days has achieved a growth in the capitalization of 10%. Investors' hope of seeing Ripple Labs victorious with the SEC leads them to bet even little perhaps on the spin token. In such a lawsuit, with the media attention and pressure on the court, the likelihood of a downward but also upward surge is high. 4 days ago, Analisa Torres, the U.S. official and designated judge for the above lawsuit, having seen the parties' motions, ruled that some of them were granted while rejecting others. For the judge to date, the case remains uncertain and none of the parties to the lawsuit seems to have the upper hand yet. Recent updates on the case against the SEC, despite the uncertainty on the face of it, the eyes of keen observers have not missed an important move. Patrick Judy, the main expert witness for the SEC, has been removed from the witness list, and this, according to some, is a sign that the regulator is given as a loser. For the Securities and Exchange Commission, Ripple, or rather its XRP product, is a security and as such, it had to be registered, but apparently, the indictment implant may turn out to be a wash. According to Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, the lawsuit will end with a ruling that will charge one of the parties a token fine and nothing more. The price of XRP could continue the rally and even fall in the coming days. In case the downward trend is confirmed, many traders could capitulate or step in again to mediate the price by betting on an XRP victory. If Ripple were to continue to retrace towards 0.30 euros, the collapse would be as much as 20%, a sign that the spring is loaded, waiting for Torres' words. If before the ruling instead, we had an upward breakout, the price of Ripple could point straight at the 200-3D exponential moving average, EMA 200-3D, which is set at 50 cents. The leap forward would take the digital currency to plus 35% from current levels by April this year. Meanwhile, on the wave of enthusiasm, XRP's fanbase is asking Coinbase to accept XRP back into the exchanges while the company's CEO fights for staking.